What's up, guys? Today we are in Upper Marlboro, and this one is for the downsizers, okay? If you live in Bowie, you live in Upper Marlboro, you live in Prince George's County, or you want to move to Prince George's County, and you're looking for less space, your kids have left, and you just want peace of mind, no stairs, this is the place to do it. Haven't seen any new 55 and older communities this close to DC, okay? So we're going to tour two models. They have 4 available. These come, though they start out 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. If you need to add additional space, you will have to go up a level, which we'll tour in the second model, okay? But these are exactly what you've been looking for, because you've been trying to downsize and don't know where to go. I'm going to show you where, right here. And as you see, when you first walk in, this space would be your garage, okay? Because a lot of people are confused with the space and want to know what's going to be done with it. This will be a garage. It's going to be turned into a garage once they sell it. But right now, that's where everyone signs their contracts, okay? Let's go in. So as soon as you walk in, you notice the ceiling height, which is something you can only get from like newer builds. Okay, so this is the bathroom that the secondary bedroom will be using, and also your guests. Okay, but I understand what DRB is saying now when they say elevate, because the finishes are high end. They look really good. Okay. Even, I mean, you saw the tile going to the ceiling as well. This is your secondary bedroom. Really good spacing. These windows look really good too. I haven't seen this anywhere. But those are really nice windows. And just great space overall. Go for your coats. And this is the space where it all goes down, from cooking to entertaining to relaxing. This is the center of the home. You have the gourmet kitchen. You have the beautiful countertops. Look at this farmhouse sink. Oops. Got the farmhouse sink. You got the luxury gold pools, and you see you have, I mean, this backsplash looks really good as well, right? It really flows. You have your microwave, and you may be able to exchange that for a vent. In most cases you can. But if you want to use a microwave, that's a great place for it. And the lighting looks great. Oh, your pantry. How can I not show the pantry? More than enough space for a 2-bedroom home. Gotta love how open it is. Dining room table, living area. Come in, chill. You can entertain and talk to whoever's cooking. Yeah. Or you also have the TV wall with the fireplace. Provides a great accent. The tray ceilings, like this home has everything you would expect from a 55 and older community. This size, it's like, I don't know what else you would want. You have the covered porch outside. So if you wanted to get some air, double doors, you have the fan. So you can relax. All right. You don't have to worry about all the bugs coming in because it's netted. So no mosquitoes in the house. They made an office, and my mother's retired and she has an office. What are y'all doing in the office when you're retired? Like, you're not working anymore, but every retired person has to have an office. Yes, I don't know if y'all playing games or what y'all doing? You got your laundry room. Boom. And this is really like elevated because, you know, in a lot of laundry rooms, it just got a small little sink, but this is a nice sink with the countertop, quartz countertop and cabinets. Makes you want to wash clothes, huh? And this is the owner's suite. Big windows, tray ceilings, a lot of natural lighting, just enough space, maybe even more, but definitely a comfortable feel. Now to the ensuite. And this is my first time touring this house, but I really like this, so I was like, man, we got to do a YouTube video on this place. Okay, so I love the space that they're giving you in the shower. I'm sure they may have additional options. They more than likely have a tub option as well. And look at all this closet space. What makes this bathroom luxury? One, you have the tile going to the ceiling, right? But check out this window above your shower head. You can't get that from anywhere. Also, the finishes, really nice. Delta finishes. Your niche. Frameless glass doors. It's not luxury if your doors have frames on them. You gotta have frameless. Look at the color of the cabinets. And these are things that you should be able to select in the design studio. But this one was very nicely designed, and I'm just loving the windows in the bathroom. This is your water closet. It will be a door on there. And I just can't get over the center height. I love these doors. The height on these doors as well. All right. So we saw both of the bathrooms. We saw both of the bedrooms, the office, the covered porch, the kitchen, dining, and living open area. Now we're going to check out the bar. If you're married, you've been married for a long time, you definitely gonna need this area. Right. A lot of relationships will not last without the bar. Hey, you know what you gotta deal with. Hey, just come and get you a drink, and go deal with it. Let me get out the way. I love this setup. And this exits to the garage. Yeah, just going straight up. This is the second model. So this is what your garage will look like if it's not a sales office. This model doesn't have the stone, but it really looks good, even without it. Come on in. Similar setup when you walk into the home as far as them having a secondary bedroom. As soon as you walk in, this bedroom feels bigger, gives you the larger windows. Looks really good. Let's check out the closet. Ready for you to put some clothes in. All right. Let's check out this bathroom. Tile goes straight up to the ceiling. So look at this layout. They have this section set up as an open office. And what'll make this really nice, like what blow my mind, is if you had 2 glass doors right here. And it's something that you may have to do after the fact. And I have some designers that can work with you if you want to get your home designed. But having 2 glass doors to enter this room will just set it off. Let's go to the kitchen. Oh my. So much more space here. Larger counters, all right, still gorgeous. And they have the black sink, right? And this is something that I'm seeing builders added to what they're selling. I mean, this is beautiful. The black sink sets it off. So it's interesting to see how they put everything together, from the cabinet colors to the black sink, and still using, you know, gold finishes and pulls, and it looks really good. You got your double oven, stainless steel appliances, and the pantry. I love how they ran the countertops up the wall. Very luxurious look. I love the fine lines in these counters, right? I love that. Some people need pot fillers. That's for the real cooks. And even if you can't cook, it looks really nice. This is what I was saying about having a vented, you having a vent over the stove instead of a microwave. Really dope. And the contrasting islands. This was over the other model. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but the 2-tone cabinet. So they have white cabinetry on the center island and darker cabinetry. Your dining area. Your outdoor space. You have 2 fans. You have lights. That would be your TV wall if you decided to put a TV out there. And you also have a fireplace on some beautiful stone. They also have a speaker set up for outdoor entertainment. All right, you see the living area, another fireplace, your TV wall. Check out the lights. This is the owner's bedroom. Again, a lot of space, nice natural light coming in, or very good natural light coming in. Tray ceilings. It's almost mandatory when you buy one of these new homes for you to get tray ceilings. It just adds so much. Double vanities to give you more than enough space. You get a lot of cabinet space. Check out the closet. Throw your towel, your linen and towels in there. Frameless shower door. Water closet, the door will be added, and you get a larger closet and this model in the owner suite. How convenient is this? Your washer and dryer right outside of your owner's suite. It doesn't get any more convenient than that. Outside of you just having somebody else wash your clothes. All right, so this will be your garage. Okay, this is what the inside of the garage looks like. Those are the doors that belong in this house. So your water closet door is one of the doors hanging up. Let's see. Look at this. Tankless water heater. Saves a lot of space. Okay. Let's go in. This is storage. You have your Wi-Fi connections in there and your speakers. All right, let's go upstairs. So if in the event that you need some additional space because you have family out of town, your kids might have moved out of town, and you want them to have space when they come in the area, this would be perfect. This will fit a couple and their children if you use the whole space for them. They get their separate living area. Or this could be your upstairs basement if you just needed more space to entertain. Check it out. Full bathroom for your guests. And your bedroom. So that's it, guys. These are the two models that they can show now. Next steps, if you want to see the other two models, or you want to discuss them, make sure you contact me. My number is 202-638-9497. If you call and I don't answer, please send a text. Okay, I'm going to see the text. I can miss a call if I'm in the meet. Okay, so also next steps, hit me up, get you out here. I'm going to give you special pricing on these properties if you work with me. Also, a lot of times you have a home to sell, you want to see how much money you can make off your home. I do free assessments. Give me a call. I'll come do an assessment of your home. I'll include, how much it costs. I'll include your proceeds for selling your home. So you'll have your taxes, fees, everything in one document that you could bring to the builder, or we can bring to the builder, and you can either put it all down or we'll figure out what financing is best for you, okay? We try to make this as seamless as a process for you. Sell your house, move into the new house without a lot of stress, okay? My name is Tomei Smith. I wasn't even supposed to do a YouTube video on this house, but I felt like in our community, we definitely need to know about this 55 and older community because it's not a lot. It's not a lot of places that you can purchase, have one level living, brand new, this close to DC, okay? Hit me up.